Welcome to Creator Hub, where we empower you to turn your ideas into income and success. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for creators: how to create a faceless news channel using advanced AI technology. Imagine earning up to $55,000 a month without ever showing your face on camera. Sounds incredible, right? Let's get started on this journey. At Creator Hub, we believe in the power of innovation and creativity. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the tools and knowledge to succeed in the digital world. Creating a faceless news channel not only offers financial freedom, but also allows you to maintain your privacy. You can work from anywhere, at any time, and still make a significant impact. So if you're ready to explore this exciting venture, stay tuned as we guide you through every step of the process. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. First, let's understand what a faceless news channel is. These channels are a revolutionary approach to delivering news content, where the traditional on-screen presence of a news anchor is replaced by advanced technology. This concept leverages the power of artificial intelligence to create a seamless and efficient news delivery system. These channels deliver news content without a personal on-screen presence. Instead of seeing a human presenter, viewers are presented with a polished and professional news feed that is entirely generated by AI. This includes everything from the script to the voiceover and even the visuals. Instead, they rely on AI-generated scripts, voiceovers, and visuals. The AI technology can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, ensuring that the news content is not only accurate but also up to date. This allows for a more dynamic and responsive news channel that can adapt to breaking news as it happens. This means you can focus on content creation while AI handles the heavy lifting. By automating the more tedious aspects of news production, such as script writing and voiceover recording, content creators can dedicate more time to researching and developing high-quality stories. This results in a more efficient workflow and higher quality content. With the right tools, you can create engaging videos that attract thousands of viewers. The use of AI in content creation is not limited to news channels. It can be applied to various types of video content. By utilizing AI tools, creators can produce videos that are not only engaging but also optimized for viewer retention and interaction. This can lead to increased viewership and a more loyal audience base. For example, channels like AI News Daily and Tech Trends Today have seen tremendous success. AI News Daily started with just a few hundred subscribers and has grown to over 500,000 in just a year, thanks to its timely and accurate news updates. Tech Trends Today focuses on the latest in technology and has amassed a loyal following by providing in-depth analysis and breaking news, all generated by AI. These success stories highlight the potential of faceless news channels. By leveraging AI, these creators have not only streamlined their production process, but also significantly increased their reach and engagement. The future of news delivery is here, and it's faceless, efficient, and incredibly effective. To kick off your journey, you'll need a few essential tools. These tools will not only streamline your workflow, but also enhance the quality of your content, making it more engaging and professional. Let's dive into the essentials that will set you up for success. First on the list is AI script generators. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper are incredibly powerful for creating engaging scripts based on trending news topics. These platforms use advanced algorithms to understand context and generate human-like text, saving you hours of brainstorming and writing. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can churn out high-quality content in minutes. Whether you're covering the latest tech news or diving into complex subjects, these AI tools can adapt to your needs, providing you with a solid foundation to build upon. Additionally, these tools often come with features like tone adjustment, keyword optimization, and even SEO suggestions to help your content rank better. For effective use, start by inputting clear and concise prompts, and make use of the editing features to fine-tune the output. Alternatives like WriteSonic and Copy.ai also offer robust functionalities and are worth exploring. Next, we have text-to-speech software. Platforms like Google Text-to-Speech or Amazon Polly are game changers when it comes to converting your scripts into natural-sounding voiceovers. These tools offer a variety of voices and languages, allowing you to customize the audio to fit your brand's tone and style. The technology behind these platforms has advanced significantly, making the generated speech almost indistinguishable from a human voice. This is particularly useful if you're not comfortable recording your own voice or if you need to produce content in multiple languages. With just a few clicks, you can transform written text into professional audio, ready to be integrated into your videos. For best results, experiment with different voice options and settings to find the perfect match for your content. Other notable options include IBM Watson Text-to-Speech and Microsoft Azure TTS, which also offer high-quality voice synthesis. Finally, let's talk about video editing software. Programs like Canva or InVideo are designed to help you create visually appealing videos without any prior experience. These platforms offer a range of templates, animations, and effects that you can easily drag and drop into your project. Whether you're creating a short social media clip or a detailed tutorial, these tools make the editing process intuitive and accessible. You don't need to be a professional editor to produce high-quality videos. With these software options, you can bring your vision to life with ease. Plus, many of these platforms offer cloud-based storage, so you can access your projects from anywhere, making collaboration with team members seamless. To maximize their potential, take advantage of the built-in tutorials and community forums for tips and tricks. Other alternatives like Adobe Spark and Filmora are also excellent choices for video editing. In summary, equipping yourself with these essential tools, AI script generators, text-to-speech software, and video editing software, will significantly enhance your content creation process. These tools are designed to save you time, improve the quality of your work, and make the entire process more enjoyable. So take the time to explore these options and integrate them into your workflow. Your audience will appreciate the polished, professional content you produce, and you'll find the creative process much more rewarding. Next, it's crucial to find your niche in the vast world of content creation. Focus on a specific area of news that interests you deeply, whether it's technology, entertainment, or world events. Research trending topics using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's trending page to stay updated. This will help you create content that resonates strongly with your audience and keeps them coming back for more engaging content. Case studies show that creators who specialize in a niche often see higher engagement rates. For instance, tech reviewers who focus on specific gadgets or software updates tend to build a loyal following. To identify trending topics, use keyword research tools to find what people are searching for. Setting up Google Alerts can also help you stay informed about the latest developments in your niche. Engaging with your audience and responding to their feedback can provide valuable insights into what content they find most appealing. Let's dive into creating your first video step by step. Start by selecting a trending news topic. This is crucial because trending topics are more likely to attract viewers. Use online tools like Google Trends, Twitter, and YouTube's trending section to find out what's currently popular. Spend some time researching and choose a topic that not only interests you but also has a high potential for engagement. The more relevant and timely your topic, the better your chances of capturing your audience's attention. Next, use your AI script generator to draft a compelling script. A good script is the backbone of any successful video. Start with a strong hook to grab your audience's attention right from the beginning. Then, provide valuable information or insights related to your chosen topic. Keep your sentences short and to the point. This will make your script easier to follow and more enjoyable to watch. Don't forget to include a call to action at the end, encouraging viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel. Once your script is ready, gather your stock media. Stock media can include images, videos, and audio clips that you can use to enhance your video. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pixabay offer high-quality stock media, both free and paid. Ensure the stock media aligns with the theme and tone of your video. High-quality visuals and audio can significantly improve the overall production value of your video, making it more appealing to your audience. Now let's move on to editing. Start by importing your script and stock media into your video editing software. Arrange your clips in a logical sequence that follows your script. Remember to keep the background music fast and energetic. Music plays a vital role in setting the mood and pace of your video. Fast-paced, energetic music can make your video more engaging and keep your viewers hooked. Online libraries like Epidemic Sound, Artlist, and YouTube's audio library offer royalty-free music for your videos. Choose music that complements the content and doesn't overpower the narration. Add bold subtitles with a popping effect. Subtitles are essential for making your video accessible to a wider audience, including those who are hearing impaired or non-native speakers. Bold, popping subtitles can also help emphasize key points and make your video more engaging. Use a font that is easy to read and stands out against the background. You can also add some animation or effects to make the subtitles more dynamic. Just make sure they don't distract from the main content of your video. For the narration, use a clear American voice. A clear, professional voice can make a big difference in how your video is perceived. It can make your content more credible and easier to understand. If you're not comfortable doing the voiceover yourself, consider hiring a professional voiceover artist. Platforms like Fiverr, Voices.com, and Upwork have talented voiceover artists. Provide them with a well-written script and clear instructions to get the best results. At the end, include a disclaimer letting viewers know that we are an educational channel, not a finance channel, and they need to do their own diligence. Disclaimers are important for setting the right expectations and protecting yourself legally. Make sure your disclaimer is clear and concise. It should inform viewers that the information provided in the video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Encourage them to do their own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. Finally, show your appreciation by thanking the viewers for watching and encourage them to watch the next video coming up. A simple thank you can go a long way in building a loyal audience. Let your viewers know that you appreciate their time and support. Encourage them to engage with your content by liking, commenting, and subscribing. You can also give them a sneak peek of what's coming up next to keep them excited and looking forward to your future videos. Building a strong connection with your audience is key to growing your channel and achieving long-term success.